We've been given a budget of £2,000 to buy the perfect road trip car. The only caveat is that AI is going to decide everything for us.
We've got to buy the car, modify the car, maintain the car, and make sure it's road legal, all within the budget. I was expecting a lot more robotic.
That's rubbish. Bro, this guy's actually ignoring me.
Nothing major to worry about. There's always stuff you can do to tidy a car up.
Just a quick one. So we're just sat down, we're about to film a video for YouTube, and it's about asking you what car to buy for the perfect road trip. But I also want you to just tell us what we can do as an intro.
The camera opens on a scenic view. Then cut to you standing next to a covered car. Pull off the cover to dramatically reveal a clunker. With a grin, you say, "We've got just £2,000 to find the ultimate road trip car. Can it be done?"
I might take your laptop to the bathroom in a minute. I was expecting a lot more robotic.
How is it going? Oh wow, it said, "Hey, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How about you? Are you feeling any better from your cold?" That's funny. The reason why it knows that is because I might have looked up some remedies on what to eat. Cool, I'm great. I'm joined with my good friend.
I wouldn't say good. Acquaintance?
Acquaintance.
There we go.
I don't know how to spell that. I want you to find a perfect car under £2,000. It needs to have lots of room, aux, heating, racing stripes.
Massaging seats, or is that too far?
I think that might be pushing it.
Right, tips for purchasing though. Prioritize vehicles with a comprehensive service history. As if we're gonna find that for £1,000.
Exactly.
Okay, here we go. It's got a BMW 3 Series, could be a good choice, an Audi A4, a Mercedes C-Class,
Wow.
a Saab.
Wow. Oh, I never thought about Saab.
I didn't think about a Saab. That could be good. A Volvo S60.
Yeah. I mean, looking at this list, it's a lot of different cars,
Yeah.
and I say let's just ask AI
Just
to
one?
pick one. Yeah.
Pick one. Okay,
BMW 3 Series it is.
let's do it. Let's make some calls.
Oh God, I feel like my chinos are so high up. Honestly, I want to pull my socks up as much as I can. All trousers I wear, this happens. So I wear such long socks. I have 191 tabs.
191 tabs, jeez. Is that how many cars you found?
Exactly. It was 1 year old, fitted tow bar, electric socket, only used for carrying bicycles, 2 keys.
That's rubbish. Can you imagine?
All
I've bought a car, I've only used it to put bicycles in it. That's rubbish.
I think it's the tow bar.
Oh,
Yeah, fitted tow bar, electric socket, only used for carrying bicycles. They haven't just used their car for the last 13 years just to carry bicycles.
Bro, this guy's actually ignoring me.
Yeah?
Like-
Was he read it and not replied?
No, he's not read it, but I know he's got it, you know? You know when you just know. Joe, I think I've got it, man.
Oh yeah?
Yep, look at this one. Full MOT, it's got new tires, got everything, so I don't even think we've got to spend any money on this. Yeah, that's not gonna cost a lot. This is under budget. We can make it work. I think we should go pick it up. He's
on board.
available,
Let's
he
do
said
it.
he's happy to take the price, so let's do it. So, AI told us to buy a BMW E46. We spent countless hours on the phone to private sellers on Facebook, eBay, and AutoTrader. We soon realized these cars were hot potatoes, especially the nicer ones, as a lot of people were interested in buying them. But we found a really good deal on an E46 in Wales. So we made an offer and made our way there to pick up the car.
Qué rico.
This is good.
Good colour. Bit of a kick to it as well.
Should we talk about the car now?
I thought we were.
So here it is. This is the car that AI chose for us. It's a BMW 330 Ci. It's an E46. It's exactly what AI asked us to get. And here are 3 things that we really like about this car and 3 things that are not so good.
Look at the condition of this car. Given its age, 2001, it's in pretty good nick. Another good thing about this car is it's only got 86,000 miles on it, which is kind of mental when you think about the age of it. And the best part about this car, it's got a 3-litre engine, so it's got a hell of a kick. Perfect for a road trip.
Here's some not so nice things about this car. It's an automatic, not a manual. The brakes and suspension aren't too bad on this car, but it might need some work. There are some cosmetic issues. Can be fixed though. Okay, turns out I was right about the brakes, but they're a lot worse than I thought. I took it to the garage the next day and the mechanic told me that I should definitely not be driving this car on the road. I mean, just take a look at those brake discs.
Half of it's shiny, half of it's corroded. That just means that the braking is quite poor. Once that's all done, then it's all good to go on the road trip. I've had one of these cars. I would probably say it's the biggest regret I ever made getting rid of it. These 330 CIs are wicked cars. Budget of £2,000. This is probably the cleanest one for the money I've seen and for the mileage as well. £2,000 all day long.
Let's do it. Let's go see if the car's ready. All right, good news is I think the car is all complete. It's all done and it's at the back somewhere. So I'm just waiting for the guy to bring the car around. This means we can actually go on this road trip.
But yeah, it's had new disc and pads front and back. I would do both rear shocks. I would do these trailing arms. And more than likely, I'd go for 2 rear drive shafts as well. I wouldn't start spending like loads and loads of money changing parts right now. There's always stuff you can do to tidy a car up, no matter how old it is.
So this threw a spanner in the works as we were meant to go on the AI road trip challenge the following day. This also meant that we ended up going above budget. Buying new brake pads, discs, and brake sensors, plus the labor was a huge setback. Oh, and to make things worse, it also failed the MOT. At this point, I wanted to cry, but luckily I'm feeling optimistic. Will this car be able to be fixed in time for the road trip? Find out in the next video.